Good morning, dear students. I will start chapter 17, Stars and the Solar System. Stars and the solar system, and we discussed about constellation. What is the constellation? A group of stars which form a recognizable pattern or shape is called the constellation. And in last topic we discussed Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and now Orion. Orion is another type of constellation of 7 stars and is one of the most magnified constellations seen in the winter sky, and its name in Indian astronomy is Fida or Mriga, and looks like a hunter, and with his shield club upraised, and the 7 head and limbs are formed by faint stars. And in the Orion, 4 stars form a kind of rectangle, and in one corner of this rectangle is situated the largest star called the Betelgeuse, whereas another bright star called the Rigel. And this Rigel is situated on the opposite side of the corner, and there are 3 prominent stars which are situated in the middle of the constellation, forming a straight line. And the constellation does not have a few stars, and it has a large number of stars as shown in figure. You can see in the diagram, and brightest star Sirius is situated in the constellation of Orion, Cassiopeia. It is another prominent constellation in the northern sky, and it looks like a distorted M or W formed by 5 stars, and it is visible in winter in the early part of the night. The moon is the natural satellite. We know that moon is a natural satellite of the earth, and it is our nearest neighbor in the space, and it is the brightest object in the sky next to the sun. And with unaided eye we can see only a few bright stars, and all the stars which constitute a constellation are not at the same distance from the earth. They are just in same line of sight in the sky, and the surface of moon is rugged, and it is made of very large craters, deep depressions or holes. This is the holes. And it has no atmosphere, and hence no life exists on it, and its gravitational pull is 1/6 that of the earth. On the moon life is not there because atmosphere is not there, so life can't exist, and the moon always present its same face towards the earth, and on the day side of the moon the temperature could be as high as 110 degrees Celsius, and on the contrary the temperature on the night side of the moon could be low as minus 150 degree Celsius. Now phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. So in the phases of the moon we discussed moon is the non-luminous body, and it has no light of its own. Only when anything is falling on it means then only reflect the light, but it has no light of its own, and it is only reflect the light. It will reflect the light of the sun falling on its surface. So when this reflected light reaches to the earth, then what will happen? We see the moon, and only that part of the moon is visible, so which reflect the sunlight towards the earth. And on the new moon day, the moon in between is between the sun and the earth, and thus the reflected light from the moon does not reach the earth, and hence it is not visible. So the night just after the new moon day, we see the crescent moon. We see the crescent moon, and it is because only the reflected light from the crescent part reaches the earth, and the rest of the moon is only faintly visible. So in the diagram 17.7 you can see the phases of moon, and the crescent goes on increasing every day, and till on the 15th day from the new moon day our full bright face of the moon is visible. So it is a difference on the day by day, and by other 15 days the new moon is formed. The waxing and the waning moon is disk of the moon. As the moon revolves around the earth is called the phases of the moon. Why we are telling that it is different phases of the moon? Because when waxing and waning of the disk of the moon and the moon revolves around the earth is phases of the moon. And on 21st July 1969 Indian time, an American civilian astronaut Neil Armstrong landed on the moon for the first time, and he was followed by Edwin Aldrin, and the astronaut from the American Defense Service. And the moon revolves around the earth as the earth revolves around the sun, exactly the way moon revolves around the earth. In the same way moon revolves around the earth, and in the same way earth revolves around the sun. And the moon completes one revolution around the earth in 1/3 days, and it takes exactly the same time to spin about its axis, and due to the same time for rotation on its axis and revolution about the around the earth, it always presents the same face towards the earth. And as the moon revolves around the earth moves ahead in its own orbit around the sun. Thus from the earth the moon appears to complete one revolution between one new moon to the next new moon, 29.5 days. Some model questions are given on page number 225, so you have to do with yourselves. And planets. What is the planets? A solid heavenly bodies which revolves around the sun in closed circular orbit is called the planets. And if you carefully look at the clear night sky, you will find some objects. In the clear night sky you will find the some object which appear bigger and brighter than the stars. They do not twinkle, and they change their position with respect to the other stars, and these bright objects are planets, which mean wonders as they change their position in the night sky. And there are 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There are 8 planets in all, including the Earth. 8 planets are there, and name of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And in Hindi, Mercury is called the Buddha, and Venus is called the Shukra, Earth is called the Prithvi, Mars is called the Mangal, and Jupiter is called the Brihaspati, Saturn is called the Shani, Uranus is called the Indra or Arun, and Neptune is called the Varun. So this name in Hindi. So we will discuss about the planets. So first planet is the Mercury. So it is the first planet of the solar system. Mercury is the first planet of the solar system, and it is closest to the sun. and because of its closeness to the sun, it is one of the hottest planet in the solar system. Because it is close to the sun, that's why it is hottest planet. Mercury, first planet is the Mercury, and Mercury is closest to the sun, and it is most of the time hidden in the glare of the sun, and it is visible just before sunset or just before sunrise, and it appears like a bright star in the sky and is commonly called the morning star. Sometimes it is called the morning star or evening star, and it is visible for 8 weeks. And Mercury is a planet and not a star. However, as it the first which appears in the morning or evening in the sky, it has become customary to call it a star. Venus, second planet is the Venus, that is the Shukra. It is the second planet from the sun except the sun and the moon. It outshines all heavenly bodies and hence regarded as the brightest and hottest planet. It appears as an evening star just above the western horizon for 290 days, and after this it appears as a morning star for another 292 days in the eastern horizon. In spite of the fact that Venus is the second in distance from the sun and as compared to the Mercury, and it is the biggest, brightest due to the cloudy atmosphere of the carbon dioxide. The mass of the Venus is 0.8 times the mass of the Earth. And the most interesting feature of Venus is that it rotates from east to west. It rotates from east to west. And it has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, CO2, and CO2, which contributes to its excessive daytime temperature, and it has no water on its surface, and no life is possible on Venus on account of the following reasons: because its daytime temperature is too high, so life is not possible, and nighttime temperature is too low. It has no water to sustain life. If water is not there, and so we can't imagine life. And it has no oxygen also in its atmosphere to sustain life. So oxygen, water is essential things to sustain life, and if both these things are not there, then life is not there. And now come to the, so till here you will take a revision.